Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best desk chair for those who prefer a cross-legged seating style, the Marsail Criss Cross Chair with wheels. This chair is designed to bring a new level of comfort and functionality to your home office or study space, combining style, durability, and ergonomic support in one package. Right off the bat, what sets this chair apart is its extra-wide 26-inch seat. Measuring 26 by 20 inches and cushioned with a thick 3.9-inch padding, it offers ample room to sit comfortably for extended periods. Whether you're working, studying, or just relaxing, this chair's generous seat space helps reduce pressure on your hips and back, giving you that feeling of sofa-like comfort while maintaining proper support. The Marsail Criss Cross Chair doesn't just focus on comfort but also durability. It features upgraded PVC leather that is scratch-resistant and pet-friendly, capable of withstanding up to 60,000 abrasion cycles. This means your chair will stay looking fresh and new with minimal maintenance, perfect for busy homes or offices where wear and tear is inevitable. Plus, the PVC leather is easy to clean, so spills and dust won't be a hassle. Mobility and space efficiency are crucial for any office chair, and this model excels in both. It comes equipped with caster wheels that glide smoothly over carpets and hard floors alike, giving you effortless movement throughout your workspace. The chair's armless design also allows it to tuck neatly under desks, helping you save valuable space and keep your area tidy. Customization is key when it comes to comfort, and this chair offers several adjustable features to tailor your seating experience. You can easily adjust the seat height within a range of almost 4 inches, tilt the backrest between 90 and 120 degrees for some rocking motion, and swivel a full 360 degrees. The gas lift mechanism is SGS certified, ensuring smooth and stable adjustments every time you change positions. When it comes to stability and safety, the Marsail Criss Cross Chair doesn't disappoint. It has a wide 27.6-inch base supported by 5 reinforced legs, which together provide robust support with a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds. Whether you're focused on work or kicking back, this chair keeps you steady without compromising comfort. In summary, the Marsail Criss Cross Chair with wheels is a thoughtfully designed office chair that balances comfort, durability, and practical features. Its wide cushioned seat supports cross-legged sitting styles comfortably, while the scratch-resistant PVC leather keeps it looking great even with pets around. The smooth rolling wheels and space-saving armless design make it easy to move and store, and its full adjustability means you can personalize your seating exactly how you like it. If you're looking for a desk chair that truly enhances your home office experience, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.